Take your embroidery to the next level with the Brother PE 535 embroidery machine. It's the reliable partner you need to turn your creative visions into reality. The vibrant LCD screen allows you to preview your designs in full color before making a single stitch, and you'll have plenty of space to work with the generous 4x4 embroidery area. Choose from an abundance of beautiful built-in designs with a wide selection of lettering options, or add your own unique designs using the handy USB port. Just plug in to preview. You can edit the design right on the machine to get everything just right, changing the design position, colors, and lettering simply by touching the LCD screen. And automatic threading makes needle frustration a thing of the past. Your next creative project needs a great creative partner. Take your embroidery further with the Brother PE 535 embroidery machine.
To insert or remove a bobbin, make sure the needle is in its highest position by turning the hand wheel toward you. Remove the extension table from the machine and then open the hinged cover. Pull the bobbin case tab and then remove the bobbin case. Hold the bobbin case with one hand. Remove the bobbin. Insert the full bobbin so that the thread moves in a clockwise direction. Pull the thread through the slit and under the finger. Hold the bobbin case by the hinged latch. Insert it into the shuttle. You should feel it click into place. Once the bobbin case is correctly seated, release the latch. To check that the bobbin case has been properly installed, slowly turn the hand wheel toward you. The needle should move up and down without hitting the bobbin case. If the needle hits the bobbin case, or if the bobbin case starts falling out of the shuttle, remove the bobbin case completely and reinsert it. The bobbin thread tension can be tested by removing the bobbin case and bobbin and holding them suspended by the thread tail. Bounce it once or twice. If the thread unwinds an inch or two, the tension is set correctly. If the thread doesn't unwind at all, the tension is set too tightly. Turn the screw on the side of the bobbin case to the left to loosen tension. If the bobbin case drops too much, the tension is set too loosely. Turn the screw on the side of the bobbin case to the right to tighten.